No, we've got a loose picture hook here. Lath and Plaster's got a bit soft, so what we're going to do is going to cut a section out like that, take the picture hook off and fill it up with new plaster. So it's going to sit there much better. I just loosen these, take one screw out and the other one's loose, so get that out. What we're going to do is open up all the loose plaster. Open that up and we'll wet it down, fill it up with a mix. Okay, we're just going to wet this down a bit. Okay, mix some plaster up and we'll fill it up. Okay, so I've got the other side of a window now. Let's just put in the last screws. And it's not going to really hold a heavy curtain, the lath. And we'll just touch those little holes up. We'll find where the solid timber is. Just a little bit right of that pencil mark. You get a pretty good idea, just give me a little bit of a bump. So we'll hit on solid there. That'll mark it. Okay, so go to this one again. Harden up a bit. Okay, we'll give this a bit of a scrape back and polish it up. Okay, so that's about it. We've put the screw there where all the solid studs are. You either put a solid bit of pine right across and screw the curtain brackets into that, or screw it straight onto where the solid studs are. But in this case, Lath and Plaster is quite soft, so it might be better with maybe a 6 inch by 1 inch thick bit of pine. Screw right across and put your brackets exactly where you want them. Okay, all the best. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.